Hi. So Mark is from EastPrint, and he'll be telling us about wearable biosensors. And just to let you guys know that actually EastPrint does have a booth here. So at the break, you can go and visit them in exhibit room A, I believe. But I'll give that information later. So yeah, the stage is yours. You have 15 minutes. Good luck.
Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it. My name is Mark Duarte. I'm the Director of Medical Sales at EastPrint for wearables. I've got over 20 years of experience in product design, product management, business development, sales, obviously, primarily in the body worn medical wearables and sensors, consumer patches, and we also do human interface machines as well. We're a contract manufacturer and designer of medical wearables, switch assemblies, and printed sensors. We're ISO 9001, and we're also 1345 as well as FDA registered as required per product. Wearable devices, we offer design assistance, medical patches, screen printed electrodes, textiles, smart clothing, and we're also an approved manufacturing partner of Lumia, who has a circuit technology for soft goods. So we've been in business for over 50 years. Started off in the human machine interface technology arena and have significantly grown in the printed wearables and devices over the last 25 years, if you will. We also do IME, in mold decoration, capacitive touch, rubber keypads, silicone, and ultra thin light panel assemblies as well for the human machine interface. Wearable devices. So again, we offer the design assistance for the medical patches, screen print electrodes. Again, as a contract manufacturer, we don't own the design. We take it and we make it manufacturable for cost effectiveness and mass production. I'm sorry about that. I went the wrong way. We have a global footprint. We're headquartered in North Andover, Massachusetts. We have a medical converting operations and electronic assembly, which include surface mount capabilities located in our low-cost facility out of Juarez, Mexico. The aforementioned is also coupled with molding operations for silicone, rubber, and plastics out of Asia. So mass producing wearable biosensors, what's really important here is that you have some vertical integration and can do as much as possible under one roof. Call it one-stop shopping, if you will. Having the ability to print the conductive inks and flexible substrates, fully perform the converting operations such as the lamination of medical grade hydrocolloid adhesives, nonwovens, foams, as well as hydrogel dispensing and placement in-house is the best scenario to ensure that you can be cost effective in producing these in hundreds of thousands into the millions. Because obviously, as a disposable, it's very costly and it gets thrown away after one use. The ability to be able to print on double-sided circuits is also key. We have a through-hole printed technology and capability that allows us to have the printed electrodes on the patient side and keep all the components and battery power or electronic assemblies on the non-patient side. This ensures that the product is going to be comfortable and conforming to the patient. I talked a little bit about converting. Converting is very important. Printing the sensor, a lot of people can print sensors. Not everybody can convert them and do SMT. The medical grade materials really make up how this thing fully functions, not just the electronics. So the converting aspect is just as important as the printing aspect. We have sheet and roll-to-roll capabilities, through-hole capabilities. We're also, very adept at manufacturing process optimization, as well as verification and validation. Having the ability to perform these operations such as IQ, OQ, PQ is mandatory, and having a medical ISO certification will most likely be a requirement.